it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing, I bought the rock I'm rocking, I bought 'cause I depend on me. If I wanted to watch I'm wearing, I bought the house I live in, I bought the car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me, I depend on me. All the way back with me, throw your hands up, all the money, make it money, throw your hands up.
Hey guys, so today is Thursday. I started recording yesterday because earlier in the week, if you watched my last vlog, I mentioned that I wasn't feeling that well. I actually did go get tested for COVID and the flu, and it came back negative. So I had to quarantine for a few days and just, you know, still act like I had it so that I could get better. So I'm feeling 100%, well, not 100, but I feel better. So today is Thursday. Aiden and I are cooking dinner. He's mixing up the Jiffy cornbread. I have my cabbages over here. I'm doing some rice, and I have my beef tips in here. Ooh. Beef tips in the crock pot, and I have to make gravy for those.
I can't wait till you come over. I'm not sober, so you know how it's got to go. I like to fuck when I'm drunk. I like to suck when I'm drunk. Come on, my baby, what's up? I need you to hurry up. Can't wait, I can't wait. Pussy baby's on the way. Ooh, I need that late. I'm on my way. I've been alone all night. I got you on my mind. I catch myself just thinking about you. What that mouth do, yeah. When it come down, ooh, they get up, they get up vacuum like Maybe I'm not coming, but it isn't something you knew exactly just how I want it. Now I can't stop coming, 'cause how you love shooting up my foot. Let's go have fun, how far do you wanna go?
We're making brownies too because dinner, I mean, it's not complete without dessert. Like, he ain't got dessert and he ain't got dinner.
Wait to see the look on your face. Then I put this pussy on.
All right, guys. Hey, today is Grandparents' Day at Aiden's game. We have his grandma. Say hey to the vlog, grandma. Let's see your pen, girl. Look at that pen. Look at her. She a grandparent. Look at her. Say hey, baby. My sissy. Oh boy. All right, y'all ready to go sit down?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Oh, let me lead the way because I know you're. Because he can play right here. And if you want to go, I usually sit right here. On that back row. You did an awesome job, Poo Poo. Didn't you? Didn't you? Y'all wait patient. Bye. That's the end of the vlog. Y'all, so I'm driving and my mama gonna say, why you look like that? You look like you cramped up. So I said, how I look like I'm driving? Showing people how I look like I was driving, Mom. Do it. Girl, stop playing me. I am ending my Sunday with some schoolwork, guys. Well, study. I'm like quizzing myself. I'm quizzing myself and then writing the answer down on a piece of paper. With these particular tests, we have to get the spelling correct and say the words in the correct order. So instead of just like guessing in my head, like saying the answer to this flashcard, I am writing it down because I have to know how to spell everything and I need to be able to see this picture and say exactly what it is. And I have taken this quiz like 4 times and I have not made a 100. So, not stopping until I make a 100 on this practice quiz. So, each time that I get it wrong is because of spelling. So, like if I forget one word, it makes the whole thing wrong. So, if I forget to put connective, so if I put dense, irregular, it's wrong because I didn't put connective. So, oh my God, I'm having to do this over and over and over and over and over. So, I'm quizzing myself 3 times each before I take the quiz. So, that's what my Sunday is consisting of. I know I look a mess, but because first of all, it's bedtime, it's Sunday, and honey, I got my hair like this because this is how I stretch out my braid out or my twist outs, which I should probably give y'all a tutorial on that soon. But it's time to wash my hair, so it won't be today. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time,